Happy Sunday, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, my name is Kristen. I know some of y'all are probably like, girl, where have you been? Listen, guys, I thought my laptop kicked the bucket. I thought it was finished. And it wasn't really in my budget to purchase another MacBook. It really wasn't, at least not right now. But I didn't have to. Luckily, I got it fixed. I got everything working. So we are back running. We're good. Now, before my laptop decided to play games with my emotions, I was able to record a Walgreens one-on-one video. It is very detailed. I got a lot of information in that video. So if it's not posted tonight, it will be posted first thing tomorrow. So definitely be on the lookout for that. And like I said, it is detailed, but I will have like chapters in it. That way, if it's a certain part that doesn't concern you or you already know about that part, you don't have to just sit there and kind of just skip guess to what part relates to what you need to know. But yeah, I'm really excited about that. Anyways, it's a new week at Walgreens. I'm going to head inside and do a little haul, and as well as show y'all some all digital deals that you can take advantage of any day this week. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, joining the family, giving this video a thumbs up. And then as always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to drop them down below. Other than that, guys, I'll see you inside. Now, before I start my shopping trip, I wanted to check out the clearance section. Not a big section, but it's big enough. And something that I found is some cottonelle toilet paper on clearance for just $3.79. And we also have a $1 digital. So you can grab a 4-count, which I think is like $5.50 if you go to Dollar General or something, for just $2.79, which is not bad. 50% off on paper products is always a win to me. And then I also see this Quilted Northern, a 9 mega rolls. It's on clearance for $6.29, and we have a $1 digital, so you can get one for just $5.29. I looked online to see what's like the normal price, and right now this same size is on sale for $9.99. So again, not a bad deal. I think I may pick this one up too, not sure, but I know I'm gonna pick up one of these and head up to the register just because I want a spin booster. So I'm gonna see if I can get a spin booster to print out. So then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here's that receipt. Everything went perfect. The one cottonelle on clearance for $3.79. We have the $1 digital, so it dropped down to $2.79, and then with tax it did drop. Well, it did make the cost $3.06. So then I just used $3 of Walgreens cash and paid the 6 cents out of my own pocket. But look what I got here. I have a spin booster for spend 25, get back 5. Sometimes you have to do that. It helps to make a small little transaction just to see if you get a spin booster. That will help your haul for that day. And that's exactly what that's going to do. So what I want to pick up for this first transaction is some Nivea body wash. So this week, when you spend $15 on Nivea, you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Since it's Walgreens cash, yes, you can do this deal online or in store. And we do have a 4 off of 2 digital. So the cheapest deal to do would be to pick up the Nivea Men. The price at $5, so you would pick up 3 of them. Use that 4 off of 2 digital, so it'll drop down, I think, to like $11. But then get back the $5 in Walgreens cash, makes them $2 each. I mean, there's only 2 anyways, but I want the women body wash. Now they are $1 higher at $6. So 3 of these will total out to $18. Same thing using that 4 off of 2 digital. So it will drop down to $14, getting back to $5 in Walgreens cash. Makes the final cost $3 each. And then I'm going to be throwing in that spin booster that I just got for the spend 25, get back 5. And I also have a digital booster for spend 10, get 10. So this is going to be a fantastic deal. Now I can do the deal without that paper spin booster and take advantage of the spend 10, get 10, which will already make them, I think, $1 moneymaker. But with the paper booster, I'm going to add something else in my cart to get even more savings. So let me pick this stuff up and put it in my cart. Since I'm over here, I might as well also mention the Dove body wash deal. I guess it's a repeat deal. I'm not sure. I didn't coupon last week, but they are $7. Buy 2, get back a $4 wrist reward. And then we have a $2 digital. So 2 of them will total out to $14. After that digital, you will pay $12, get back that $4 wrist reward, makes them $8 or just $4 each. But you can also submit to Shopmium for $2 back on the other one. Since you're using one digital for one item, you can submit to Shopmium for $2 for the other item. If so, it'll make the final cost $3 each. So not bad if you need some Dove body wash. Colgate is on a promotion that when you buy 2, you will get back a $4 reward. Now be careful, my store is not tagged yet, but there are products priced at $4 and then products priced at $5. So if you go with the toothpaste that's priced at $4, we do have a 3 off of 2 digital. So you will pay $5, get back that $4 reward, makes them $1 or just 50 cents each. Or you can go with Colgate and toothbrushes that are priced at $4. We have a different 3 off of 2 digital that only attaches to these. So make sure you are clipping the correct coupon so that way your savings will apply. But same thing, you can pick up these for just 50 cents. Or you can go with the products priced at $5, and we do have a 4 off of 2 digital. So pick up the 2 at $5, clip that 4 off of 2 digital, and it'll make them $1 each. So again, make sure you are scanning. If your store isn't tagged, make sure you're scanning with the app to make sure you're picking up the correct products that you want, as well as you have the correct digital clip. Not sure if I mentioned, but I will be going with the 2 mouthwashes. So here's everything I'm picking up for my first transaction. Before coupons, the total comes out to $26 even, which is perfect because remember, I have this booster that printed out saying that when you spend $25, you'll get back $5 of Walgreens cash. I also have the digital booster for spend 10, get 10. So after my digitals, I only have the 4 off of 2 for the Nivea and then the 3 off of 2 for the Colgate. That will drop me down to $19. I will pay that out of pocket, but then I'm going to get back a total of $20 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the digital booster, 5 for this paper booster, and then 5 for spending 15 on Nivea. Now that alone will already make it $1 moneymaker, but remember, I'm also going to get back that $4 risk reward for the Colgate, making this not only free but a $5 moneymaker. And then y'all know I'm going to take the rewards I get back from this transaction, which is going to help me purchase more items. Let's head up to the register checkout, and then I'll be back to debrief the receipt. So here is that receipt. Everything went smoothly, didn't have any hiccups at all. Prices rang up the way they were supposed to in my digital, so you can see the paper spend 25 get 5 booster, as well as my 2 digitals dropped down to $19 plus tax, which I did pay out of pocket. And you can see what it says earn this visit. I did get back my $20 as well as my $4 risk reward for the Colgate deal, making this again not only free but a $5 moneymaker. And then we're going to take the rewards from this transaction to buy more stuff. So for my next transaction, we're going to pick up some cheap laundry care products. The P&G products are on sale for $5.49. You buy 4 of them, you will get back a $5 risk reward. We have some nice $1.50 digitals. So I'm going to grab the Tide Pods. We have a $1.50 digital. The Gain Flings, we have a $1.50 digital. The Tide Liquid, we have a $1.50 digital. As well as the Gain Liquid, we have a $1.50 digital. Let me grab my products and then we'll go over all the math. So these 4 products before coupons totals out to $21.96. We have $6 in digitals, so that's going to drop down to $15.96. Getting back the $5 risk reward makes them $10.96 for all 4, or just $2.74 each. So $15.96. You know, I'm trying to use $20 in Walgreens cash. I want to use the whole 20. We're not quite at $20 right here. Now, of course, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down tax, but even with my tax, I'm still like $2 and some change short from being at that $20 amount. Lucky for me, we have some clearance cottonelle, so I am going to throw this into the mix. Remember, $3.79, we have a $1 digital. So throwing this with everything else, it's going to be like $18.75, I think, but with tax, it will knock me over $20, so I will be able to use $20 in Walgreens cash, paying just the remainder tax, which should be under $1, still getting back my $5 risk reward for buying 4. So I'm going to head up to the register checkout, and then I'll be back to show you guys my receipt. Alright guys, another fantastic transaction. Everything rang up the way it was supposed to. Didn't have any hiccups with my coupons. So here are all my digitals, which dropped down to $18.75. I told you guys, including tax, that should knock me over $20. It did. It knocked me at $20.55. So I did use the $20 in Walgreens cash that I got back from that first transaction, leaving me to just pay the 55 cents, the remainder tax, which was 55 cents out of my own pocket. And yes, I did get back my risk reward for the buy 4 deal for P&G products. Scott paper products are $5, buy one get one 50% off, and we do have a dollar digital for each one. So if you grab one of each, use those digitals, you would pay $5.50 or just $2.75 each, which is not bad. Y'all already know I'm not the best fan of this new packaging, but if you wanted just 2 of the regular toilet papers, just use that one digital and pay $6.50 for 2 or $3.25 each. If you do like the paper towels, you can grab 2 of them as well or mix and match. The choice is completely up to you. Now I still have $9 worth of Rush Rewards that I could, buy more deals, roll them, so on and so forth. But honestly, I think this is all I'm doing today. I'm gonna finish up with that Quilted Northern that I mentioned earlier that's on clearance for $6.29. I believe we have a dollar digital, so that'll drop down to $5.29, and I should be able to still throw in just one of these Rush Rewards, which should drop the out-of-pocket cost to 29 cents plus tax. But I'm gonna head up to the register and check out, and then after that, I believe that is it. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so here's that last and final transaction. Again, it was perfect. So the Quilted Northern on clearance for $6.29, and both did apply that $5 Rush Reward as well as that dollar digital. So it left me to pay just the 29 cents plus tax, which for me came out to 73 cents. So here is a recap of everything that I picked up today. Not a lot of stuff, but honestly, no complaints. That first transaction definitely paid for everything that you see, and I still have a $4 Rush Reward that I could use today, later this week, or even next week. So the final cost for everything that you see is $14 to be exact. I think it's $14.04. So I'm just gonna say $14. But of course, out of pocket, I did pay $19.29 for that first transaction. I only paid the taxes for the second transaction, and then 29 cents for that last transaction. Let me know if you plan on going to Walgreens this week. If so, what's your favorite deal? It could be a deal that I completely forgot to mention or didn't know existed, so definitely drop it down in the comment sections to let me as well as other people know what fire deals are happening this week. I love y'all. Thanks so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining a family, as well as give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to drop them down below. That's all I have. I love y'all. Again, I will be posting that Walgreens 101 video. If not today, definitely tomorrow, so stay tuned. Just go and click that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when it's uploaded. I love y'all, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.